Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to be making a paper rabbit, and for this craft you'll only be needing a square piece of paper. So let's start the craft. So first you'll need a square paper, and the first step is to fold your paper in half, this side to that side. Do that accurately. Try and do it as accurate as you can. There, now crease it down as crispy as a pizza. Now we need to open it up and fold this side into the middle. There we go. We need to do the same thing for the other side. There. Perfect. Now we need to fold triangles right here. We need to do it for all four sides. We need to do a bit more so it's all equal. We want it to be nice and equal. Yeah, good. There, done with that. Now we need to open our, triangles and put one finger in there, and we need to squash fold it like this. We need to get to there, and perfect. We need to do this for all four sides, as usual. There. Do it for this side as well. Perfect. Now we need to fold this thing, whatever, diamond or whatever you want to call it, over to this side right there. You can fold this bit in half. Let's bring it back here. Fold it in half so we have a guide for the next step. There, right there. We do this. Now we take this bit, that bit to there, right there. So this corner to the middle. It's a bit hard of a fold if you have hard paper. There. Perfect. And another one. You don't need to do it here. And just need to fold it in a bit. And there we go. Perfect. That was a journey. Now we take this side and fold it back onto here as much as it can go. There's going to be 2 tips there. Oops, I keep on fucking up. Now let's see if it has worked. It hasn't. This is a common mistake you might have when you're doing your rabbit. There might be a 3rd flap right here. We don't want that, so we open it back up. It's that way. Let me crease these down. Put this back there. I think that's how you solve the problem. Yes, that is how you solve the problem. Let's crease everything down. Just press it down and try and fold it onto the pieces that we've made right here, so it can stay equal as usual. Now we need to take these ears up, and you can fold it up as much as you want. I'm gonna make the ears stick up because I like to do it like that way, but you can also do it like that, but I'm gonna do this. So we've got our ears. You might also want to pop them out like there. Where's the other side? There. Perfect. Now we take the legs. There. Let's fold it down. Oh, it's this side, that's the problem. There. This could be a minute problem right there. There, should be fixed there. So we want to fold it back, and you should see a little tip of the legs sticking out. That should be how it is. And fold it down. We're going to do another squash fold. We're going to open it back up, fold these back in, open that. See where the crease is? There it is. Try and crease it a bit more so we can actually see it. There. Now let's see where the crease is. There. You pop it back in. Any way you want to do it. And put it in there. Let's flatten it up. Get the ears back up. It should stand. It might stick out if you have some hard paper, but that's okay. We still have a rabbit if you hold it like this. Now we need to do the nose. You want to have a blunt nose or it will look a bit weird. So we're doing the same thing we did with the legs. I'm going to open it back up and pop it back in right there. To make some final adjustments, let's just fold it and move better, basically, for the legs because they look a bit bad. Oops, this is the paper that's wrong. It's just a bit poppy. There. And you can open the ears up to make it look like a rabbit. Might not stay because I don't know. The paper probably. There we have our rabbit. Right there. So I hope you enjoyed making this rabbit. You can maybe play with it. You can hop with your hands probably. But you might as well hop on to the next video. That would be really nice. And before you do that, please subscribe and hit the like button. And maybe turn on the bell. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And you can always hop along to another one. Bye.